All right, I think I'm recording in 360 mode. Let me see. Yeah, I'm recording in 360 mode. All right, well, about to hop on and see. Seems pretty secure. Whoa. Got to tighten everything down as much as possible. Don't want to lose this damn camera. It's too expensive. Still seems like I got it super tight, but still seems like there's some play. So let's find out. Got the protective lenses on too. I kind of anticipate dropping this thing the first time or two. I'm gonna mount my GoPro Hero 10 up here somewhere, so clean this off, put some sticky stuff on it, and I'm gonna have that facing me. I think that'll be pretty cool perspective. And I could also record from my phone on the handlebars as well. So, alright, well, let's see. Not gonna go far. The first test, I'm gonna just get on and actually let me just put my helmet down. First test, I'm gonna just get on and ride a little bit. And then I'm gonna readjust it to see if I like the camera angle any better. And then just talk a little bit along the way. I mean, I ain't really got nothing to talk about for real. And I'm riding a 2019 Road Glide CVO. Her name is Bougie. I got TPS tire pressure mounting system on here. This light is gonna go out. Sometimes these things act a little funky. Let's say I need to change my or put air in my tires, but I don't. It'll go off and recalibrate. So far, so good. I need to also figure out like when I'm recording from my helmet, and I'm also recording on the 360 and on the Hero 10 when I have it mounted right here. Some like hand signals. So like if I put my hand up in the air like this, that'll give me an indication of all three cameras being at the same place when I'm recording, so I can edit, because you need some type of markers when you're editing. I'm not gonna hit you, little boy or little girl, whatever you are, little boy. Need some type of markers to, you know, give starters, because you start at all different time periods. All right, get out the way, little squirrel. I don't want to kill you. Ah, little squirrel. All right, he made it. Yeah, so when you are editing, the markers need to be the same. And if I turn the 360 on at a different time, and I turn my helmet on at a different time, and I turn the GoPro Hero 10 on at a different time, then you know, it's all different things going on. I think it looks like it's wobbling a bit back there. Feels great out here, man. Even though it's a little gloomy, I'll take the gloom. It was real sunny earlier. I'm going ahead and put it on cruise control. See, I told you the tire pressure mounting system was gonna go out. That right there is my cruise control. It is on, but it's not engaged. So when I hit this button, boom, now it's engaged. It turned green, just like your car. So I'm hands-free right now. And all you gotta do is lean a little bit to get the bike to go where you want it to go. Sometimes I take my phone off and I'm texting. Yeah, I know it ain't the safest, but I probably shouldn't even be saying that on camera. But it's absolutely beautiful. I'm on the far east side of Columbus, Ohio, or a suburb of Columbus, Ohio. I'm in Pickerington, which is where I live, and I'm heading east towards Lancaster, Ohio, on these beautiful country back roads. Speed limit is 55. I got it locked in at 55. I usually go 75, 80, but I need to focus to see if this damn camera is gonna stay secure or fall off. So again, this is just my test period. I'm really excited to start making videos though.